Hey, hello, welcome to the weather update. It's 10 o'clock on December 20th, 2019. And we're going to start off with the satellite image because you can see no clouds. Well, there's some clouds offshore over the ocean where the cold air is moving over the warm water, but more or less no clouds today. It was a beautiful day, and so was yesterday. Also a beautiful day. And actually, I want you to look at this for a minute because this is kind of interesting. What you see here, this will be a little clearer here. Yeah, what you see here is the stripes where the snow fell in those snow squalls yesterday. You could see one going from New York City, from northern New Jersey, traveling over New York City, and then over Brooklyn, Queens, to Nassau County. But Suffolk County really didn't get as much of that snow squall. This is again is looking at yesterday. It looked like there was some cumulus clouds over Suffolk County, probably from the cold air passing over the Long Island Sound, which is still relatively warm. And then you can see another stripe over here also as well. Looks like over New Jersey. So this is kind of interesting. See, oh yeah, this one's even clearer. So you can see here, these are where the snow showers, the heaviest snow showers hit on the 18th. Those snow squalls you can see over New York City, Nassau County. It's weird though; it kind of missed the North Shore, but you could clearly see it right here. And if we pull out, you might even be able to see a little clearer. So it's pretty interesting. I figured I'd show that to you. So let's take a look at what's going on right now outside. And it's been cold too, so we're going to look at the temperatures, of course. 27 at Farmingdale. It did reach 34 today, so just barely got above freezing, but it was a pretty beautiful day, clear day. And then yesterday, it hit 26 at Farmingdale. And again, only 26 degrees, very cold. You know, we had some pretty significant wind chills down to the single digits in the morning. But you know, I've dealt with worse Arctic outbreaks than this. You know, there've been sometimes days when it doesn't even get out of the teens. So 20s is not such a big deal for me. Anyway, let's take a look at the models and see what's going to be happening. Because that big, beautiful high pressure, well, it's starting to move on out, and we're going to look at the general pattern right now. But it does stay dry, and that's the good thing. We see a few more clouds tomorrow, but then we have another high building down on Sunday into Monday. And this high is actually going to suppress this storm system that you see over Florida to the south of us. And it stays to the south. And then we have another high building in. This is Christmas Eve, because of Christmas Day, Christmas Eve, it all looks dry. In fact, it's dry right until next weekend, when next weekend, the final weekend of 2019, we'll see another rain event in the final days of 2019 before another Arctic blast comes down in the final days of 2019 into 2020 to the new year. So let's take a look at our regional view here, and we'll take a look and show you where our temperature is going to be going the next couple of days. Now it could get quite cold tonight actually I want to look at West Hampton because it's going to get probably 17. It's probably going to get down into the Pine Barrens, probably into like around 10 degrees. So it'll be a lot of radiational cooling, clear skies, light winds. Conditions are good for that. But as we go into is this one? Yeah, this is the right one. All right, so I don't know why it's started off over there. But anyway, as we go into tomorrow, you'll see temperatures will increase a little bit. It won't really be all that much warmer because we're going to be having a lot of clouds around, so the sun won't be out. But from Sunday, we start getting closer to normal. Temperatures around 40, in the low 40s. For Monday, we warm up to the mid 40s, maybe upper 40s, close to 50 in New Jersey. And then Tuesday, GFS has us leveling off in the mid 40s. And then Christmas Day, we're in the mid 40s, so it's just about average for this time of the year. And we can see maybe another little bit of cool air trying to come down. But then here comes the warm. After Friday, you'll see the warm air start surging up here with that rain for next weekend. But this is a ways off. But one thing is for sure, around Tuesday, final days of 2019, looks like a big cool down again. We're going to have struggle to reach freezing those days. So let's go and look at the clouds. Because not a whole lot to talk about as far as weather goes. It's just going to be dry, which is good news, until the final weekend. So we got a ways to go. But you see tons of clouds around tomorrow. So hopefully you enjoyed all the sun today. But the good news is Sunday looks clear, and Monday might be too. So we'll have to see. And then Christmas Eve, probably increasing high clouds. And Christmas Day, it looks like we're going to have some clouds around, but it won't, mix of sun and clouds. Let's go and look at the NAM model. and take a look at the NAM model as far as the sky goes. All right, this is the 0Z. I don't think I have enough of that in, so I'll use the 18Z run. So you see the clouds increasing for us tomorrow. Plenty of clouds around, probably very filtered sunshine. And for Sunday, we see some clouds sticking around, and then maybe by later in the day, we see more clearing skies. According to the NAM, it just seems like it has some clouds sitting over us, perhaps some cumulus sitting over us there. And then Monday, we may be dealing with the high clouds right to the south. So we'll have to see if we can get any more clearer days. But 2 clear days in a row, 2 absolutely beautiful days. Hopefully you got a chance to enjoy these 2 beautiful days that we had here with those crystal clear skies, courtesy of that Arctic air mass. So with that, that wraps up this weather update. Take care, and thank you for watching.